it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I have something new for you. I have never ordered from Archer and Olive before, but I placed 2 orders. So this is going to be, excuse me, an Archer and Olive unboxing. I cannot wait to show you what I found and purchased. I will tell you it will not be my last time ordering from Archer and Olive. I love it. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up was this Archer and Olive decorative tape. Look at that box. That is exquisite. I love how it looks sort of vintage, but yet just perfect in my opinion. I love the gold accents. All right, so let's open this up. And when you open it, this is what you see. I love it. Okay. So let me get my tweezers so I can pull this up out of here. Okay, the first washi tape is going to be, they look like postage stamps, really. And I thought they were stunning. Look at that. And they're just all different. Okay, and I'm going to roll them back up. I could swatch them, but to tell you the truth, I don't want to waste any of it. I love it so much. Okay, so this is the first one. Gorgeous. And as you saw, it comes in a set. And the reason, trying to get this on here real nice and neat again. The reason that I got all this is I am going, you may remember quite some time ago, I said I was going to be adding some content here. Well, I'm going to be adding a reading journal for one thing, okay? Here's this next one. Just look at that. It looks kind of moody, kind of dark academia in a way. I just think they flow together so nicely. Then here's this one. Beautiful. So you can see that. And then we have this one. It's like almost like a chocolate brown with a little bit of burgundy in there. And then that gold. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. So I picked this up, this set up. I don't have an affiliate code or anything with Archer and Olive. But, man, I love it. This is their Antique Floral Washi Tape set right there. Okay, so that's what I got. And as you saw, you get a set of 4. Love this. All right. Then with this order, I also picked up this gorgeous Archer and Olive journal. All right. And this is an A5 Antique Floral Buckram dot grid notebook. It's 160 GSM and it has 192 ultra thick pages. And look how this comes, the presentation. This would be a great, great gift. All right. Then when you open this, look at this. Is that not gorgeous? I'm going to raise this just a little bit. I don't want you to miss any of this. All right. So you flip this out. This is going to be my reading journal. I think it is going to be gorgeous. I love the addition of that gold and the gold on the spine. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And it feels so nice. And it has the pin loop and this to hold your pages. And look at that gold on the edges. Oh. And then look on the inside. Their attention to detail is just exquisite. I love this. Then it has your little name page, and then it just starts the book. So this, like I said, is going to be my reading journal. So beyond excited for all of this to come. I really cannot wait. And the reading journal will start going up on Fridays. I don't know if it'll be every Friday. It'll just depend on how much I get read and stuff like that. But we'll see. Put this back in there nice and neat. Love this. And you know, why I really wanted to get the Archer and Olive is I was thinking these would be beautiful decor in your home once you have them finished. I mean, they're gorgeous, okay? So there's those. Then I picked up their Rest and Renew box. It's their Self-Care 2025 Rest and Renew box. And it says, Rest and Renew box. This is your toolkit and permission slip to prioritize yourself, elevate your well-being with dedicated time for journaling and activities that allow you to rest and be renewed. And I think that's really important, is to take care of yourself. Once again, the presentation is everything. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so I'm just going to set this right here. Okay, this came in the box. It just says Archer and Olive. The story of it, because of your support, what they do. Is that not beautiful? I mean, they had so many to choose from. All right, the first item in this box would be their prompt cards, and you get 20 prompt cards, and I think that's really good. Maybe you can't figure out what you want to journal about. Okay, I got that open. All right. And I won't go through all of these, but this just says mindful moment. Describe a moment today when you felt fully present. What made it special, and how can you bring more of these moments into your daily life? Activity. Today, fully immerse yourself into a simple, typically mundane activity like washing your hands, sipping tea. That would be me. I drink tea every morning, but I find myself rushing to get the day started, and I want to relax while I'm sipping my tea. Take some time to do some more journaling, or feeling the breeze. Focus on your senses and stay present. And then look how beautiful that is on the back. And I'll read one more. Revive and restore. Write about something that has drained your energy lately. What small, nurturing action can you take to restore yourself? I think sometimes if we just write about what is kind of zapping our energy and just it's cathartic, I think it's really good. Activity. Choose one small restorative action today, whether it's taking a 10-minute break to stretch, drinking water, or listening to calming music. Notice how this small action impacts your energy and clarity of mind. And once again, like that. And like I said, you have 20 of these. I just love this. I think it's a wonderful idea. I think it's never too late for Christmas gifts. These would be a great Christmas gift. And, like you got all this in one self-care box, all right? Then I have this. What is this? Oh, more tape. Set of 4 decorative tapes. All right, let's look at these. Oh, I love these. This is perfection. All right, look at this. Describe a moment today when you felt fully present. Think of something you're looking forward to this week. A blank one. List 5 things you're grateful for right now. I just love this. I really do. I think we need to be more present in ourselves. Okay, look at this. I love this washi. It's so pretty. It matches these cards. And then these 2 have the little flower on it. I think that's either a water lily or a lotus flower. I'm not sure. And then this, and you can see how it coordinates so nicely together. I mean, that is perfection in a box. So say you wanted to just give someone the washi and maybe these cards, I think that would be perfect. All right, then what do we have here? And I just love how pretty it is. All you really would need to do is just put a bow on this. You wouldn't even have to wrap it, okay? This is acrylic stamps self-care box. Now, I ordered this with my own money, so and you know we're going to have to do some swatching. Oh, awesome. You get the acrylic block that has this cover over it. And you just peel it off. Look at that. Love it. And these edges are so smooth and rounded. I love that. Then you get permanent black ink, the Archer and Olive brand, and this matches back to everything. So let's open this and take a look. Like I said, I'm going to swatch some of this. I need to get a swatch book. Look at this. Color the sunset, color the sky, self-care ritual, Monday through Sunday, a checklist. A little reading journal that has the temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius with the sun and the moon, color of my mood, then this really pretty box. Then we have this where you can write either way, then that same flower. Tomorrow I look forward to. And then we got a day of rest, mindful moment. Let me take this off. You might be able to see it better. No, I don't think so. I'm grateful for. Then these little checklists, bullet point checklists, hearts for that, or just a little square checklist. Level of happiness, low or high, and then that flower again. So I'm definitely going to try stamping that out in a minute. I want to see what else is in the box because I'm so excited. Then this, what is this? Gold ink gel pen. Oh, and look how it's packaged. These little self-care boxes are worth the money. They truly are. Oh, look at this. It says Archer and Olive. Has some weight to that too. Okay, let me get some paper or a book. I think I have a book I could use just temporarily for this. And I may just keep it for this. It's not 160 GSM though, so it will bleed through. But I'm gonna get me a different one. But anyway, this has some weight to it. So let me get some paper, that book, and we'll try writing with this and stamping. Okay, here it is. It's big. This I picked up at Michael's. So let's just see what we think of these stamps. Let me open this, and I'm just going to try to stamp this all at one time. I don't know if I'll be able to or not. We'll have to see. But I want to try. I've never used their ink before, so I'm curious as how it is. I've used the VersaFine Claire and the Memento and all that, but I've never really... Now, I'll tell you, I did get in the center of that, which is a no-no, but that's not the stamp's fault. Okay, I'm going to get my baby wipe. Boy, that looks like a rich black. And it doesn't have a smell if you're sensitive to like odors or something like that. Sometimes I am because I have terrible allergies. This does not have anything like that. This doesn't have to be a perfect swatch because like I said, and I'm getting ink all over me. I got it on the book. I could have gotten a piece of paper and my Misty and stamped in it, and it would have been wonderful. I wonder if that'll take it off. We're just going to do this for a test. Okay, we're going to press over everything. Like I said, I've never owned their stamps or their ink. Look at that. That is really pretty. I love that. I'm going to clean my stamps. That gave a great impression. You know, sometimes when you stamp something like this all at once, it might smear or something like that. But it did great. I just didn't push down on that. So far, I love their stamps, and I love that ink. So that is a win-win. I wonder if they make other color inks. That would be nice to know. I need to look. If any of you know, let me know in the description box below if they make other inks. I know they make tons of stamps. So that I really like. All right, now let's try this gold ink gel pen. Oh, it feels so luxurious in your hand because it's so weighty. All right, let me get it started. Didn't take much to get that started. Can you see that? It glides like butter. I love that. And it looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. This is nice, and it wasn't a lot to get that started. So, hey, I am on the Archer and Olive train. Okay, let's put this aside. And then the last thing in the box was this beautiful journal, okay? So let's open this up and see what we think of this. Now this, if you haven't already figured out, is going to be my self-care journal, which will be added on Saturdays, okay? Really looking forward to this so much because I really have not been taking care of myself as much as I should. I don't take my vitamins regularly like I used to. I don't walk like I used to. I don't drink the amount of water that I used to. I don't take time for me that I used to do. It's just so I need to get centered back into this. Oh, look how beautiful this is. And this was on the inside of the box, and I won't read it all because a lot of you may already know this, but it said that Bonnie started Archer and Olive, which was named after her two cats. I had no idea. When she was struggling to navigate the everyday twists and turns of her own mental wellness. So I really think it's good for you. Look at this. This is, let me see if it says, let's look on the back. It's an A5 with 192 dot grid pages, 160 GSM once again, okay? Look how pretty that is. And there's nothing on the spine of this one. It's just kind of simple and elegant. And then look, there's that beautiful design on the inside. The pages are white. They don't have that gold like gilding on it. And this paper feels so nice. You have the pen holder. You have this little pocket just like with the other one. And then this to close it. I love all this. Okay, this is everything that I picked up from Archer and Olive. Like I said, I really love the quality of their merchandise. I think it is going to just make this channel even more interesting. So on Fridays, you can look forward to the reading journal. On Saturdays, you can look forward to my wellness journal. So I'm really stoked for all this to come. And so I will be uploading 6 days a week. If you enjoyed my Archer and Olive unboxing and haul, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.